All right, guys, we're going to marinate some pork spare ribs today on the Orozco's Kitchen channel. So first, we want to cut that fat, all right? And what I like to do is I like to put slices in the membrane. I don't take the membrane off. I know a lot of folks like to do that. If you want to do that, go for it. I just don't like to. I actually even like the taste of membrane. Yup. So go ahead and wash these and pat them dry so the rub can stick to them. And also when you apply that mustard, that it's not all watery. All right, so what I like to do is cut the rib in half just because I like the way I can put them in the smoker better this way. Just it's more for placement, you know. Some people like the full rack. I like to do half racks like this. Okay, so I'm going to use one glove for all my seasoning and keep one hand clean. So of course we're going to use mustard. Mustard is huge. You will not taste the mustard in this rib. So if you don't like mustard, don't worry about it. Just go ahead and hit it real heavy with that mustard. And I like mustard because it's thick and it sticks to that rub that you're about to put on. So I like to use Cajun. Has a really good tangy flavor to it. Not spicy, just like a full flavor, especially if you're using it on pork. I mean, it's just, it works hand in hand. So go ahead and do both sides, both ribs, both half racks, and put a lot of this Cajun pepper. It's really hard to overspice this, so don't be stingy. Go ahead and get your lemon pepper and hit that up on both sides evenly. And I don't take measurements, you guys, when I'm marinating my ribs and stuff like this. Go ahead and put this chili pepper as well, which is really good. Don't put too much because you don't want it to be too spicy if you're going to be serving for like a lot of folks. But yeah, I just go by eye. You know, here goes black pepper. I like to do both sides on every single piece of meat. And I just get my, get it straight out of the container. And I kind of see how much I need to put. And here we go. We're going to put some Tajin, which I love Tajin. If you've never put Tajin in your meats, you're missing out. So go ahead and hit both sides. And hit this evenly. And this is the thing I like to put on these ribs too, is Chalula. You can put any kind of hot sauce, but I like Chalula. I don't put a lot, just a little bit. It gives it a little extra ting. Ooh, I got some on the counter there. No biggie. So yeah, I like to put, you know, I've put Tabasco before. I just experiment, you know, and that's really what I love to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put barbecue sauce, and I like Sweet Baby Ray's. It's one of my favorite barbecue sauces. And I apply it on both sides, a good amount, you know, and a lot of people won't like putting barbecue sauce, but it won't burn it, okay, if you put a light amount. So just go ahead and put this, and this is the part that'll save you, this next step. So I get my Cajun pepper, and I apply more Cajun pepper on top of the barbecue sauce. That way it seals the barbecue sauce in, and it locks in all that rub. This is it, folks. Thanks for watching.